Last month, Hurricane Elsa made landfall in the United States, bringing flooding and gusty winds to the eastern seaboard, from Florida to New England. Elsa is just one of 20 named storms Colorado State University expects this hurricane season. But what are hurricanes, and how do they form? Hurricanes are a type of tropical cyclone, which NASA states is a rotating, organized system of clouds and thunderstorms that originates over tropical or subtropical waters. Tropical cyclones are capable of causing significant harm and damage to life and property. Different parts of the world have different names for tropical cyclones. In the Western Hemisphere, they're known as hurricanes. In Eastern and Southeastern Asia, they're called typhoons, and in the Southern Hemisphere, Southern and Western Asia, they're referred to as cyclones. Tropical cyclones around the world are given names to track them. In the Atlantic Ocean, tropical storms and hurricanes are given one of 21 listed names based on when they form, and if there are more than 21 storms in a year, an alternative list of names is used. For instance, in 2020, there were a record-breaking 30 named storms, so the last 9 were given names from the Greek alphabet. Tropical cyclones start as clusters of thunderstorms over warm ocean waters. These waters, which are usually 80 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer, provide energy for the thunderstorms to build up and gain strength, allowing them to potentially become tropical cyclones. In the North Atlantic Ocean, hurricanes are most common between early June and late November, during the so-called hurricane season. Other areas around the world also have seasons with heightened tropical cyclone activity. However, hurricanes can occur during any month of the year. The Saffir-Simpson scale classifies hurricanes in the Western Hemisphere into 5 categories based on their wind speeds. The faster the wind, the higher the category. Hurricanes that are a Category 3 or higher are also known as major hurricanes. The most devastating hurricanes, such as Hurricane Katrina in 2005 and Hurricane Harvey in 2017, are often major hurricanes. If you live in a region that is prone to landfalling tropical storms and hurricanes, prepare a hurricane emergency kit containing food and water, batteries, flashlights, first aid kits, and other essential items. If a tropical cyclone-related weather alert is issued for your area and evacuation is encouraged by your local officials, evacuate. Even well-built housing can suffer damages during a hurricane. Tropical cyclones are some of the most devastating forms of weather on our planet, resulting in thousands of fatalities and costing countries hundreds of billions of dollars in damages every year. Keep your hurricane knowledge in mind this hurricane season. The actions you take to prepare for the worst of nature can save your life.